This is Dr. Cox, and I'm really happy to welcome you to the reopening of WIFH. Now, we all know times have changed, but I wanted to let you know we're still excited to be here to serve you. And we understand that there are certain people who will continue to shelter in place, and we ask that every patient make sure they're not on the list of the high risk as defined by the CDC. At the end of the day, we're here to provide safe, effective, cosmetic, and elective treatments for you, and we want you to feel safe getting those treatments. In welcoming you back to WIFH, I wanted to make a series of videos for you to kind of explain how things have changed and how things still remain the same. So you can watch this series of videos, or you can look for our email, which will also detail these changes, or you can also go to the website, which will also have detailed information on how things have changed and how we're here to keep you safe. Prior to your appointment with us, we're going to ask you to do 3 things for us. Number 1, we're going to ask you to sign a COVID-19 consent. What that means is that's a piece of paper that explains to you the risk that may be associated with your appointment at WIFH based on the knowledge that we have now of COVID-19. That's for information, and you'll sign that beforehand. Next is a procedure consent. That's just the consent for the procedure that will be performed for you, which you've done in the past, and we may already have on file for you. We'll let you know. And last is a pre-screening. This is really important because it helps us to know if you've had any signs or symptoms of any illness or been exposed to anyone within the past 2 weeks that could be COVID-19 related. Upon your arrival into our parking area, we'll ask you to let us know that you have arrived. When it's time for your appointment and your practitioner is ready for you, we'll let you know so that you can come up to the office at that time. You will be met at the door by a staff member who will pre-screen you with a temperature before you are allowed to come into the office. After your temperature check, then we will ask you to wear a mask, and you'll be asked to go wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water after your arrival. You'll notice that our staff members will be wearing masks and gloves, and our practitioners will be wearing eye protection as well. We do ask that you wear a mask if you have one, but we can provide one for you if you don't have it. We're going to ask you to bring minimal personal items into the clinic. We encourage you to leave purses and bags in your car locked in the trunk. Bring your wallet if you need it, and your phone. We're going to ask you not to set those on any countertop or upholstered place. And if you need a bag to put them in, we'll be glad to provide that for you as long as our supplies last. We also ask that you do not bring guests with you to your appointment at this time. And if you do, we ask that they wait out in the car for you. Please do not bring your small children. You'll notice upon your arrival that we have a one-way facility now. In other words, all the hallways will be one way. You'll come in, you'll go to your treatment room, and you'll leave out a different door in the back. You'll also notice that we are discouraging the use of any form of cash payment at this time. We want to use credit cards and other touchless forms of payment, and we are working diligently to find an encrypted way to store this payment information for you for the future. You'll also notice that we want to email you any quotes for future services, and unfortunately at this time, our beverage service, except for bottled water, has been discontinued. We wanted to let you know about our cleaning schedule. We have comprehensive hourly cleaning and disinfecting of all of our public spaces. We also have comprehensive cleaning and disinfecting of all treatment rooms between each patient, and we have a weekly deep clean scheduled for the entire office every week. Now, because of this, please understand we're going to have limited schedules due to the cleaning that has to be done to protect you. We also are going to have limited appointment availability due to social distancing. So remember, if you're requesting your favorite clinician, there may be a long wait time. You might want to try the first available. All of our clinicians are amazing. And remember, all of these policies are subject to change based on available data at any time without notice. So in conclusion, I wanted to say thank you. I know there's a lot of information in these videos, and I really appreciate your attention. I wanted to let you know we're really happy and we're really excited to be back at WIFH, providing you the same great services that we've always done for you and getting you the best results. Hope to see you soon, and thanks. Be well, stay safe.